Homework. The text, nature items. Make plural. 1 tree, 2 trees. 1 butterfly, 3 butterflies. 1 frog, 4 frogs. 1 plant, 5 plants. 1 ladybug, 6 ladybugs. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. What are they? As we see in the picture, they are butterflies. The second question. What are they? As we see in the picture, they are caterpillars. Match the sentences with the pictures. Plant. We match it with the third picture. Caterpillar. We match it with the fourth picture. Butterfly. We match it with the first picture. And the last one is tree. We match it with the second picture.